Right, so this nail cutter was sent to me to try out. I just got my nails done, so I'm actually going to try to get my son, Caleb, to use it. He has a hard time cutting his nails, and this is actually it's designed to have clean cut, smooth nails. It's supposed to not cut your nails too short. It's a single blade, clean cut, and then it also collects your cuttings, which is a plus for moms like me. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up, see what's inside, and then we'll get Caleb to try it out because he's only 12, and if he can use this, then I'm sure anyone can. All right, so first off, I love the design because it has this little storage right here that just goes into like so, and then you pull this out and it looks like this. Let me show you. All right, so this is what it looks like, and what you'll do is you'll put your fingernail in here, and then you're gonna clip down. So on the sides right here, it will not cut, right? So it's only in the curved area. So according to this manufacturer, Edgy's single blade was designed with a dermatologist to deliver clean, precise cuts. It's not a nail clipper. They say that with this in mind, you'll experience smoother, healthier nails with Edgy fingernail cutter. So you cut and you don't crush. All right, so this is Caleb, and he's going to try out the Edgy nail clipper. All right, so he's just gonna try it out.
Oh, that's actually really easy.
Unless you're cutting it with your left hand and you're right-handed, you want to try your right hand on the other side, or you're good. And then did you notice that it keeps your nail clippings inside? It doesn't just fly everywhere. You like this nail cutter better than the other ones? Because I know you have a hard time with the other ones. Is this one good? Yeah? Perfect. Is it good?
Yeah.
Alright, so what did you think about it?
I thought that it was neat, easy to use.
Alright, so that was cool because he literally has a hard time cutting his nails. And so what he'll do, instead of cutting it with a nail cutter, is he'll just pick on it. And so now he has something that he can use. And then for me, a win is the nail clippings is in here. And so I'm just going to dump this out to empty it out. And so the nail clippings is not going everywhere. So definitely a plus for moms. So like I said, if you're in the market for a new nail clipper, you should definitely check this one out.